Okay, I just said they don't require much effort. Come on, let go. There. Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to do something real simple. We're going to be changing the cabin air filter in the Niro. For the record, this is a 2019 Kia Niro EV. However, this maneuver will be the same for pretty much every Niro and most Kia Hyundai products. Many of the other makes and models are going to be very, very similar. Only a few that require something different. So I got the cabin air filter here. This is the brand name. Here's some part numbers if you need to see those. Got this from my local auto parts store. You can pick them up just about anywhere. So, step one, everything is going to be in the glove box. And if you're like us, you're gonna have to clean the glove box out. So let me get started on that. All right, contents of the glove box have been emptied. So once we're in here, we're going to loosen these little guys right here, twist, and pop. They pull right out. And you can see right here, little twist lock feature on them. They're very, very simple. They don't require much effort at all. And there's one on either side. Okay, I just said they don't require much effort. Come on, let go. There it goes. Just set those out of the way. Next step is over here on the door side. Is this little lever right here. Just get some of that dust out of the way. And you see this right here. You just give that a pinch and pop. And the whole glove box drops down. Now this right here, this is our cabin air filter. Very, very easy to get to. This doesn't require any tools at all. See, we just got these tabs right here. And then there's one over here. We just pull that out, set that out of the way. And then the filter itself will just slide right on out. There we go. I don't know when the last time was to change this. Oh, looks like we got it pinched on something. That's interesting. So yeah, we'll check inside here. I don't know if you can see inside there very well, but that is the fan housing, and it pulls the air down through. So we'll get everything inspected. We'll make sure that the new filter matches this one exactly. Make sure the same size. I'm going to investigate why this is crunched right here. Make sure we don't have an issue. And then we'll get this swapped out. Alright, we've got the new filter and the old filter right next to each other. You can see a significant difference. I wanted to say this is approximately 2 years of driving for us. A lot of material that it collects in there. And I checked, this looks like it was just pinched, so nothing major going on there. Set it down on here, and you can see that they do match up size-wise exactly. And we're going to pay attention to the new filter here. It actually gives you a directional arrow. So this is going to be the dirty side of the filter, and this will be the clean side. And this one, it looks like, is infused with carbon or charcoal or what have you, just for odor reduction. So we're just going to pay attention to the arrow, and then we're going to slide it right in. Keep the firm sides here to the side. And there shouldn't be any resistance, it just slips right in. And that is it. So now you take this little guy and put it back on, and it should just pop right back into place with those little push tabs. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then we have to put our glove box back together by getting this back on here. I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera, but it just pops right on there like so. Then we'll take these little guys and there we go. Clicks right back in. And then one on this side. And you can see on this side here where it doesn't quite want to match up. You just twist until it goes through and give it a click. And that is it. That is everything you need to know. Changing the cabin air filter in a Kia Niro. And this will work for the Niro EV, the HEV, the PHEV, and most Kia Hyundai products. They're all very, very similar. So we're just going to dispose of this thing and decide if we want to put all this stuff back in the glove box. But that is essentially it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hopefully you found this helpful. If not, hopefully maybe you found it entertaining. If you did like it, let me know down below. And if I've earned it, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much, and have a great day, everybody.